Little did I know it was going to turn into, we are going to do a podcast. We're just share what we know with people and tell them how we do things and how we achieve a great marriage. Can we have cheesecake now?
That was a good one.
Yep.
Yes, and you can have some cheesecake. One of the reasons why we want to leave where we live right now is because our lifestyle has changed. We have an RV and we travel. Our subdivision has really strict covenants, and so we wanted a home that could accommodate our RV.
And I really wanted to just downsize overall. It's just more house than what we need. We're empty nesters now. Get something simple, clean, efficient, not ostentatious.
2 to 3 acres would be great. I think that would be great. I want to be able to have a garden, grow my own fruits and vegetables.
You know how big an acre is?
No, I don't. I want to be able to have private fall. So, yes, protect myself from myself. I think the one thing that we can say that we both agree on is that we both want brick.
Yes, it's structurally sound. It's easy to maintain.
I like brick because we are from Michigan and real homes are made of brick. I like crown molding. I like old light fixtures, a nice, big, huge island so we can do all the things we like to do together. So we don't have a formal living room and a formal dining room. I love
The bedroom is